To set Customazion service, use Wi-Fi only in Samsung Galaxy S10. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the apps screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Accounts and Backup. Tap Accounts. Select Samsung account you want. Tap Privacy. Tap Customazion service. Enable Customazion service, tap switch until blue. Tap use with Wi-Fi only, switch until blue to enable, or tap until gray to disable. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.